Hi, I'm here to show you the cross mathematical card trick brought to you by smallmagicshop.com. So you start out by giving your deck of cards to the spectator and letting them shuffle the deck as much as they want. It's mathematical, so they can shuffle it as much as they want. You can even, tell them, why don't you do a couple little cuts, just whatever they want to do. So I feel like this deck is mixed up. So here's how it works. We're going to make piles down here, and they're all going to add up to 13. And as most of you know, in a deck of cards, an ace in a pile is a 1, a 2 is a 2, a 3 is a 3, a 4 is a 4, and so on until you get to a jack. A jack's an 11, a queen's a 12, and a king's a 13. So we're going to make piles of cards. So I have an ace here, so that's a 1. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here we go. Here's our first pile. Put it up there. I got a 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here's another pile right here. So here, now I got a 9, so I'm like 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here's another pile. So now I got a 10, so I'm like 10, 11, 12, 13. I got another pile here, so flip up the next card. I got a 6, so I'm like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Don't let the spectator hear you counting. Just do it in your head, because they don't want, to know that you have some magical formula or something. So I got a queen, so a queen is a 12. So I'm like, queen is a 12, so 12, 13. So that's the pile. And if you get a king, it's already a 13. A king's a pile, so you get a pile. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So then I have one more pile, and then I have a card left in my hand, and it's not big enough to make another pile. So I'm like, we'll keep this card here as our deck. So I'll just set this side face down. So you tell them, okay, out of these 2, 4, 6, 7 piles, flip 3 of them over. Sometimes you get 4 piles, sometimes you get 5, sometimes you get 8. It's just random. So tell them to flip over 3 piles, no matter how many piles you have down here. Tell them they can flip over 3. So say they flip over this pile, say they flip over this pile, and it doesn't matter what ones they flip over. Say they flip over this pile. So then you collect the cards that are face up, and you put it with your cards left over at the bottom. Sometimes you won't have cards left over. You just make a pile. But, so then we're going to put these 3 cards. Tell them, this is the cross mathematical card trick, so, I'm going to have to make a cross. So I'm going to put down 5 cards here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure they're face up, like this. And then put 5 cards down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this. So 5 cards here, 5 cards here. Then tell them, those 3 piles with face down, flip the top card up on one of them. Say they pick this pile. It's a 10. Well, I'm like, okay, I'm going to put down 10 cards on my deck then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, here we go. Alright, and I tell them, flip up another pile face down. Let's just say they flip up this pile. It's a 5. So I go, okay, I'm going to put down 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, here we go. Then you show them, look how many cards I have in my hand. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 cards in my hand. And that means that this card in the middle here is going to be a queen, because on a deck, an ace is a 1, a 2 is a 2, a 3 is a 3, a jack's an 11, you know, a queen's a 12, and a king's a 13. So I have 12 cards in my hand, meaning that card in the middle is a queen. So you flip it up, and you know what? It's a queen. And let's just say, at the end of this trick, if I had 3 cards in my hand, that card in the middle would be a 3. And you know, if I had 6 cards in my hand, that one face up or face down card would be however many cards are left in my hand. So that is the cross mathematical card trick. Was brought to you by smallmagicshop.com. Thank you for watching.